everybody, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to make how to make grilled eggplants. Now these are we're going to use olive oil, soy sauce. I put the Gunday curry powder. So this is my mum. She's going to help, but I don't know if the cat's going to come in. Okay, we're going to get cracking into it. Did it took a photo?
No.
Oh, didn't it?
No.
Okay, we're going to mix. We're going to do the sauce, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, what?
That's our beautiful bruiser. Beautiful boy.
So what do we need to do?
Mix the sauce. So you need 1 tablespoon of that garnish, but you have to get your tablespoon.
Okay. Orange, eh?
Yeah.
The big one?
Yep.
I just keep. Okay. I've got the gundag in here.
Yep. 1 tablespoon.
Mhm.
1 tablespoon of soy sauce.
Okay.
And 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Yeah, we're going to use olive oil. Oh, you.
Okay, then mix it all together.
Yeah, hold up. I'm trying to get all this, some of this stuff. Yep. There you go.
All mixed?
I think so.
Okay.
All mixed.
Right. The 3 musketeers.
Oh yeah, don't want to come in, alright?
Okay. Now you've got to cut, yeah, that's right, cut it lengthwise.
This way?
Yes, and be careful of your fingers because I've just sharpened that knife.
Ah, you fuck! Oh, no, it didn't go.
Oh, do you want me to do it or?
Yeah, because I was going to do it this way.
Oh, okay, do it that way then, okay.
Hmm.
But it's, okay, okay. But make them reasonably thick.
Like this? Like that?
Yep.
Oh, that way is better.
Okay. Oh, okay, be better for you, okay. Because that knife's very sharp, I just sharpened it on the steel.
Here you go.
Where's your finger?
No blood.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to go. You can stop it.
Oh.
And brush on both sides.
Yep.
Okay. Both sides?
Yes. Okay, then put them on the...
Like my painting skills?
Mm. Our audience.
Our audience? What the hell?
Our live audience.
Ah, shut up. Sorry.
Right.
Grill on. So look at, because it's, yep. We're going to put that in there. Have you got it?
Yep.
Okay. Can I put this in here? Oh, I wouldn't.
Just on the... Yeah, try that. Might have to take it up close enough. I'm not quite too sure, but we'll just see.
So, how long we're going to give it for?
They reckon a couple of minutes, so we might have to take it up higher. Just turning them over.
So the cook's on the other side too.
Now I think I'll use a fork. I'll get out a fork. The fork.
Yeah.
The fork so I can turn them over a bit better.
Lot of traffic. Oh.
Yep, must have been an accident somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching my video how to make grill plant. If you guys want this recipe, I'll write it down in the description, down my description. Thank you for watching. Ronnie is out. Bye. Subscribe. Push the notification button. Next to the subscribe button for more videos down the line. Bye.